Bimoba Charity Foundation, in collaboration with Loam Community Radio, presents Bimoba Music Awards 2021. Activities are slated 27th to 29th December 2021 at Bumpurugu in Northeast region of Ghana. The program is as follows. 27th December 2021, 8 a.m. Float on the main road from Pemali through Nakpanduri to Bumpurugu immigration barrier, purposely to create awareness of the event. 2 p.m. Football match between Atis and Bumpurugu security personnel. 28th December 2021, 8 a.m. TV and radio interviews with Atis, chiefs, opinion leaders, community members, and people in development potential sites. 8 p.m. Rap and freestyle competition. 29th December 2021, final day. 8 a.m. Atis Performance and Awards Day. 30th December 2021, departures. Special guest of honor is Dr. Daniel Macaulay, CEO of Magdan Group of Companies. Prominent Bimoba men and women to join the occasion. Chamba Timothy Bonga, Regional Commander Ghana Police Service, Northern Region. Professor Samuel Kombiang, Chamba Nanlib, CEO of Nanlib Foundation. Chamba Peter Bande, Mr. David Guat, Mrs. Comfort Kona, Principal, Tamale Community Health Training College, Dr. Mrs. Bija Kane, Tamale Teaching Hospital, and many other professionals in Ghana, Togo, and Burkina Faso are expected to attend this homecoming program. Political leaders who will not miss out include the current Member of Parliament for Bumpurugu constituency, Honorable Abed Bandim Azuma, the immediate past MP for Bumpurugu constituency, Mr. Solomon Bua, other former MPs for Bumpurugu Yonyo constituency, Mr. Samuel Kwame Dut and Mr. Joseph Nyani, former MP for Yonyo constituency, Mr. Joseph Nabu, former MP for Tempani constituency, Lawyer Joseph Dindiok Bemka, current Member of Parliament for Yonyo constituency, Honorable Oscar Lewal, current Member of Parliament for Nalerugu Gambaga constituency, Honorable Alahaji Baba Isifu, the Savannah Regional Minister, the Honorable Joseph Luknan, the newly appointed District Chief Executive of Bumpurugu Nakpanduri District, and his predecessor, Alahaji Abdul Majid Azuma Dut. Others are Dapao Prefect, Tanjuari Prefect, Monduo Prefect, Sinkansi Prefect, a former Minister for Roads and Highways, Lawyer Inusa Fuseni, and all Bimoba political office holders. Traditional rulers to attend the events. Paramount Chief of Wipe Traditional Area, Wipe Ra Abdullah Jinapo, Paramount Chief of Nakpanduri Traditional Area, Naba David Kansuk, Paramount Chief of Bankoni Traditional Area, Naba Haruna Nansingmo, Chief of Pikwera Traditional Area, Naba Danzuri, Paramount Chief of Dapao, and all divisional and sub-chiefs of both Ghana and Togo, including Queen Mothers and Magaziers. The gathering will be hosted by Paramount Chief of Bumpurugu Traditional Area, Naba Alahaji Abuba Nasingmo Lemin, Tambuktuk Band Mokia. Diaspora and Bimoba musicians to be present are Mrs. Joyce Najaok Ali, known in the music industry as Ding Piang, Mrs. Comfort Biyalkibi Sile, known in the music industry as Kingdom Rascal, Mr. Gordon La, one of the oldest artists from Kambagu, the award-winning artist Master Popa, and Macasio, the popular Tamale-based Afro artist. Media partners GBC, Joy TV, 1HD TV, Sangani TV, Nafa TV, Benderin FM, Scap FM, Pibri FM, Quality FM, Radio Savannah, Radio Kortoisi, Radio Nafa, and Mekab FM. Other partners: Vilam Guest House, Wang Guest House, Vine Royal Lodge, MJ Studios, Sax Concepts and Designs, JN Royal Guest House, Gamoni's Media, GPRTU, OA Travel and Tours, OC Station, and Marquez Travel and Tour, Dingbiang Media Center, Tamuap Car Dealers, Jopak Herbal Center, Dimbe Multimedia, Braprod Studio, My Basic Needs Foundation, Dambe Team Africa Studio, and 10 Financial Company Limited. Our mission is to project and enhance the peace, unity, culture, traditions, and norms while using music to advocate on the natural resources and tourist sites that are found in our land to government, investors, and the rest of the world. Our vision is to promote Bimobas in Ghana, Moba in Togo, and Guruma in Burkina Faso as one people. Purpose of the event is to inaugurate Bimoba Music Awards as well as donate livelihood items to the vulnerable in society. Caution: this program is strictly going to abide by COVID-19 protocols. Chairman of the occasion, Chamba Abu Sinyuan, a proud and renowned businessman of Moog. Sponsors: this event is proudly sponsored by Mr. Elijah Moon Duwerek, a US-based Bimoba philanthropist who is the CEO of Bimoba Charity Foundation. Venue for the program, Bumburugu Senior High School Park, 29th December 2021 at 8 a.m. prompt. Bimoba Music Awards 2021. Experience the worth of Bimoba people.